What's up, guys? Good morning, YouTube. It is September 24th. We are headed to work before the sun gets up. So, pre-started the Raptor. How's everybody doing this morning? Get a hit of water. Guys, what do y'all think about that new Z that come out? Hey, don't look too bad. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I was thinking that I really like it. I'm thinking a lot of people are hating on it, but to me, it's got like some super clean lines, and I think it's really looks good, and it's a really good throwback. Everything today is just over exaggerated, so to me, like with the super clean lines, I think it looks really good. And how can you beat something that's going to be a V6 twin turbo? Like, that is just going to be sick with a manual. Burnout show. And it's, you know, probably going to be awesome on the back roads. Just a little two-door car. I mean, I think it's going to be a real fun car, especially making all your spoolie boy noises. Let's get woke up a little bit this morning. In Mexico. Alright guys, we're inside. I don't know how these people do it and carry stuff. But, you know, cut on some lights. Look at that thing. Oh, Evo over here looking mean. Hopefully get this finished up today. Maybe that car in the back. And I think we got a few more coming in. But we hung a new TV in the office, so brought a fire stick in. See if I can get it to cast from my phone. So I'm gonna mess with that a little bit this morning and order some parts. The S209 exhaust. If any of y'all guys need Amsoil, just let us know. Grab a monster. Let's get this day started. That's good. Alright. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up. Alright. Got the fire stick installed, but I don't know the password to the Wi-Fi because it's something long that I don't ever use with that IT guy set up. So we're just gonna get to work. So I'm gonna order some parts, drink a little Monster, and go through the stack of bills and see what happens. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, we got the Wi-Fi hooked up to the TV. Got some car shows going. See what's going on out here in the shop. Adrian broke something on this fragile Chevrolet, but now one of the fittings on this guy is everything's brittle on this old Chevy. So this is what he just barely hit, and as you can see, it just kind of snapped. So here's the replacement, which is actually steel. Alright, and on this, we're going to get the oil changed out today. See what's going on with the AC, and I think it'll be good to go. Finally give it back to the wife. Might have some parts coming in for this today. Updates on this. We had to send the harness to iWire. It was kind of botched on whoever installed it. So, I mean, it is completely gutted, front to back. So we had to pull the entire harness out and dash out. But iWire's gonna fix the harness so we can get it back on the road and make some power. As soon as we get it back, guys, we'll give you an update on this. Alright guys, and then we got a Forester in that we're wrapping up the engine on it. It's a FA. He actually had valve seals that were bad, so we had to take the heads off, send them to the machine shop. We're just getting it all back together, and then we actually got 2 FA builds going on right now, and a few EJs. So this is kind of our engine room, and then we keep these totes when we tear the motors down, so all your parts go in it and nothing's lost. Alright guys, UPS shipped something to our old address and then they sent it back, so we gotta run down there and pick it up.
It not only offers 24/7.
On the road again. Alright, change of plans. Hey. What are you doing?
I brought the secret sauce.
Uh-oh. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Hey, do you want to drive me to UPS?
Huh?
Do you want to run me to UPS?
Okay.
And then a top secret location
Okay.
to pick up the car?
Oh.
Top secret.
Ooh.
Special. They only made a few of them.
Oh. Oh.
Right. Alright guys, Anthony showed up, so we gotta change of plans. He's gonna run me to UPS and we're gonna go pick up a car. And we're gonna avoid that car's warranty. Alright guys, now we're headed to UPS. And then to pick up a car in Anthony's Evo. Uh-oh, we're at 76% ethanol. Boost Cartel, guys, go check them out.
Boostcartel.jp.
Right. Go buy some merch.
Alright.
Nice. I'm on the other side of this today.
Guys, and just let us know how you like these, and heck, probably what we can do to make them better. We're just going with the flow, trying to. I think the first one went pretty good.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
We should do a little more talking instead of just walking around carrying the camera. Kind of explain what's going on.
Right. But yeah, we're going to try to get better at that, and like I said, we're going to try to start putting these out daily, and then we'll have the install videos on top of this, so it'll kind of give you like the day-to-day what's going on, and then we'll be doing some install stuff on the GT-R, the Evo,
And the Raptor.
and the Raptor.
Raptor's still got to get done.
Yeah, we do have a lot of parts in for the Raptor, and we're getting not as backed up as we were on work, so we're getting caught up, so now it's a little bit easier to work on our own stuff versus we have to get customers' cars out. That's first. So we're gonna head to UPS and get our package, and then we're gonna head and pick up a car. Subaru gang, Forester. What you know about that? Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna run in and get our package.
Secure the package.
Yep. Top secret mission. I got the package.
This should be the antenna for the Evo, right?
Yeah, by Torque Solutions.
Mhm.
Alright guys, we'll open this when we get back. Now to the other top secret location. Alright. And then we're picking up the S209. And we're gonna do some modifications to it. We are in the S209. Trying to get my seat adjusted. Code start.
Alright, we're back at the shop.
Alright guys, this was in the package.
That was what was in the long lost UPS package.
Right. It's an antenna for the Evo.
Nice little stubby boy.
Alright. don't screw you.
Well, don't do that.
Yep.
It just wasn't threaded in all the way.
Oh.
It's a tight fit.
Oh yeah, it only goes like 1 thread.
Okay, technical difficulties. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back.
So we got slow mode, medium mode, full send.
Is that as far as it goes? Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
Another mod for the Evo.
Adrian's still working on this hunk of junk. Nah, she's coming along. And the blue blob has a little leak, so that's getting fixed.
It's driving good. Just finishing up last few things on it.
Kind of been a gloomy day today. Who's hard body? Customers? Yeah. SR20 swapped. Needs a tune.
Yeah.
You gonna put an RB in
SR
it?
swap.
It's SR swapped.
SR swap?
Yeah. This old girl's back together.
A little freshen up, a little tune up.
Stay away from Optima batteries.
Nah, they're alright.
As this one sits on a jump box. Let's go see what Tommy's up to. Top Gear action.
Do what?
Day in the life of Tommy.
Dang line. Yeah, on the phone talking to people.
On the phone, doing quotes.
Right. Waiting on a valve cover gasket for this. Should get it back together tomorrow. See those big cams off in there? But oh yeah, we finished up the OBS, if you know what that means. Stay tuned for more S209 content coming tomorrow. And guys, we're about to end it up and shut her down. It's close to closing time, but like I said, we've got content coming on that tomorrow. And we'll catch y'all in the next episode. Like this video if you like what you've seen. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.